Hello! I thought as soon as your video channel go online. Look at my hair. Oh my god, I look like a boy. Anyway, hello and welcome to day 2 of Disneyland Paris. We are up and dressed. It's now 9 o'clock and we're about to leave. Me and Becky are heading into Disney today, and Laura and Hannah are heading off to Paris. Yeah. What are you doing in Paris, girls?
We're going to go to the Louvre first because we booked that, and then we've got the Eiffel Tower booked, and then other than that we're just going to wing it and see what we can get done.
Very nice, very nice.
We've got to do Notre Dame as well. Hannah's not done that before.
Yeah. What does it still look alright after the fire?
I don't know. Last time I went a week before it burnt down.
Yeah. You have to let us know.
I promise I didn't leave anything up.
Yeah, so if anyone wants to see like a day in Paris, you have to go and watch Laura's vlog over on her channel. But yeah, we're going to head into Disney, so come along. I love how French our apartment block is.
I know.
It's just so nice. Highly recommend staying in this little area because it just looks so pretty and like Instagram worthy, in my opinion. We're here. So are you into Disney? You have to queue up for security, that's normal anyway for security, but before you get to security you have to show them your QR code, anti-COVID app, and you basically upload your NHS vaccine passport to it, so then it just proves that you're fully jabbed, because you're not allowed in the park unless you're fully jabbed, and if you're not fully jabbed you have to have a negative COVID test every 48 hours. So if you was here for like a week and you weren't fully vaccinated, you've got to have quite a few COVID tests. Oh my god, guys, it is busy today. Just look at the queue. Wait, let me quickly show you. This is the queue from the train station way to get through security. So there's security. Oh my god. Jeez. It is busy today.
It's very busy today.
Jeez. Okay, so we was going to go and see the Marvel Hotel. We've just walked through the Disney Village. Hope you can hear me. But there's a massive queue for getting back into the Disney Village, going through security and stuff again. So I'm going to quickly wrap up this clip because of the music. But yeah, we've just decided we'll do that in a bit. I think we're going to go to Starbucks. Oh, and by the way, you don't have to wear a mask in the Disney Village. You do inside shops and cafes and stuff, but walking around outside in the Disney Village you don't have to wear a mask. It's just in the parks that you've got to wear a mask at all times. Which we were saying it's a bit annoying about wearing them outside, especially when it's been raining, because yesterday our mask on our face was like having a flannel stuck to your face. I'm not even joking. So I don't see why you have to wear them really outside, but you know, it is what it is, isn't it? Right, is Starbucks open? Yeah, let's do Starbucks. Okay, we're going in the Disneyland park. We're just in the queue to get in. Just had our reservation scanner, now we just need to actually like scan a ticket to get in at the turnstile. We stayed in Starbucks for about an hour and just had a drink and a cake, and I was just uploading to Instagram. Now we're just waiting to get in. We're going in the Disneyland park, not studios. I keep smiling, but you can't tell. We're moving again. Hey, she's got a lanyard.
Another one.
Another one. I said I wanted one and Becky's ended up buying one.
Only because I can't be trusted.
And the railroad's on. Should we do the railroad first? Let's do the railroad. We have never ever done the railroad. It's always closed, like always. And I literally think every single time I've ever been here, it's been off. So, gotta do it. Just gotta do it. And it stopped raining, so I took my hair out of the bobble and took the poncho off and got my ears on and stuff. So, oh, I think there might be some characters. Everyone's pointing up at the balcony. Oh, who's there? Let's have a look. Who is it? Is Donald going to be up there? Oh, Donald might be over the other way. Go around that way. Oh no, it's Chip and Dale. There's no Donald. You gonna wave, bestie? It's just Pluto, Goofy, Mickey, Minnie, Chip and Dale, and do you know what? It's starting to rain. Of course it is. Yes, let's get on the train. Look at Mickey and Minnie's outfits. Oh, we come for the railroad. Oh, it's Chip and Dale. Hi! I'm looking forward to this. Literally never done this before. Which way? Front? Or this way? Off we go. It's so pretty. That's what I like about Disneyland Paris, is it's so pretty. Isn't it? Really pretty.
Yeah, it's really pretty.
Oh wow. That's gorgeous. What a view.
Turn to go.
Mesdames et messieurs, nous approchons de la gare de
It's a bit like the People Mover, isn't it? How it like goes through some of the rides. There he is. It's got like no Oh, well, he has got it. Oh, we're in it.
Ce small world célèbre les enfants du monde entier. Just below, the happiest cruise that ever sailed.
Okay, it's poncho time again because it's chucking it down. We're on the railroad and we've just been in this shop and I bought a lanyard for my ticket. shots. I'm going to put you away while we walk because it's chucking it down. Oh. Main Street cars. Oh wow, that's really nice.
How nice is that?
I've noticed they've started to put the Christmas stuff out.
I need that right now.
I know, it's freezing, isn't it, today? Right, we are at Boardwalk Candy Palace. And I think we're going to get a giant cookie.
They got Minnie, Mickey.
We've got cake pops, cupcakes, fudge, cookies.
Oh, merengue.
Yeah. Do you want to show everyone the size of the cookie?
You're going to do a head comparison?
Yeah, go on. It was €5, we got one each. So we spent €10. Hey! It's pretty big.
Massive.
Hey! Right, I think it might be time for me to buy a Spirit jersey.
Yeah,
So, I've been thinking about this Spirit jersey since the last time we came, so I think it's time for me to get it. Oh my god guys, look at the price of this castle ornament. €24,999. That is crazy. Looks stunning though. It's gorgeous. Look at these ornaments. I love this shop. It's just full of ornaments. No idea how anyone would ever get them back home though if they didn't live like locally. Even that little Peter Pan's 125 and it's tiny. This was where we was waiting when the Joe saga happened. Oh, Pandora. Pandora. Look at the hitchhiking ghost figurine. That's €119. It's not too bad. And there's like a phantom mannequin that comes like a box with a certificate. €60. Oh, it says you are the lucky owner of key number 145 of 999 copies. That's cool. Ursula, Jafar, Maleficent. This shop's cool because it's all like figurines and it has all like the limited edition stuff. And then every shop at the minute has got Christmas decorations everywhere. How nice is this one? Donald and Daisy riding the Dumbo ride. Not focusing. There you go. So when you think of like Disneyland, you think of the TV advert and it always shows the Dumbo ride. Cute, and it's only $9.99. It's not bad. Becky can't decide what to get. I've just bought...
Oh, look, it's a little old scratched up.
Oh, that's cute.
No, you can...
So this tray is the exclusive park ones and the very top row is Paris only. But there's too many to choose from. I've just I've just bought this rose gold one. Where it says 69 with Walt and Mickey in it. We're still hoping and praying that the scaffolding's gone by tomorrow. We haven't took any castle pictures yet. One because of the scaffolding and we've got like a feeling it might be gone. But if it isn't, we're just saving them for Sunday. But another reason is because it's not stopped raining. So we haven't really had the opportunity to take nice castle pictures yet. So
I think it's a bit difficult to get a nice castle picture.
it is. So But we will take some tomorrow though.
Yeah, as much as it's nice, it's not the be all and end all.
No, it's not.
Again, not getting a castle picture.
I know. Anyway, I think we're gonna head to Pirates.
Pirates?
Shall we walk through the castle, go through Fantasyland? Yeah. That's what we're doing. It's so rainy today.
To be fair, it's kind of stopped.
Yeah, it's like drizzly, but like you couldn't have your hair out because like I've straightened it again. And if it was just out in the drizzly, it'd just go massive. You know what I mean? Is it still a half an hour wait?
I don't know.
Let's see. Let's see. Okay. When we checked the app, the Pirates ride said it was half an hour, and then we got there and it had gone up to 40. But then looking at the queue, it looked like at least an hour. The queue was massive. So, just giving that a skip. We both needed a wee as well, so we just went to the toilet. And now it's just gone 10 to 1. And there's a Lion King show starting at 1:30 in Frontierland that you can now pay for to get like reserve your seat. But you can also turn up and just, you know, go and watch. But you have to show up quite early. Most people have said you're supposed to turn up an hour early, and obviously we're out of the hour, but we're going to go and head over and see if we can get in. So we'll see. We might do. We are like 35 minutes prior, so we might do. We've made it in. It's always benches, isn't it? It's never comfy seats. This is the Frontierland Theater. I've never been in this bit before. It's quite big. I'd probably say it's about half the capacity of like Fantasmic Theatre in Hollywood Studios, about half.
Yeah.
It's pretty big.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah.
Oh no.
It is time.
That was really good.
Anna?
So, really, really good. It was definitely like Broadway, West End standard.
Oh yeah.
Wasn't it?
Yeah.
Really, really
We were
good.
saying we imagine that's what the theatre show.
The theatre show's like, yeah. Yeah, no. That was really good. Very impressed. Right, it's now 2 o'clock. We actually haven't been on a ride yet, but I think we're going to go and have some lunch. The queues are just, it's so busy at the minute, and the queues are just all crazy. So I think we're going to not focus too much on rides today because we have got the Halloween party tomorrow. And like the Halloween party till 2 o'clock in the morning, so
Yeah, but for rides today
I think
aren't really a
tomorrow will be like predominantly ride orientated.
Today is more experience,
Yeah.
the shows and shopping and
Yeah, maybe characters and shopping and
yeah.
things like that, yeah. Because a lot of the queues for the characters aren't that long. I think because you can't hug them, people aren't happy about it. But I think the experience is still just as good personally. Don't you?
yeah.
So, anyway. I'm gonna go and find somewhere to eat.
I actually find it a little less awkward to be fair.
Yeah.
Because when you...
They make more of an effort as well sometimes.
Yeah, exactly. When you meet a character, like, you feel this like instant pressure.
If they're not a face character, not one they can physically speak to, and you have to do all the miming, work out what they're trying to say.
Trying to work out what they're saying and you've got absolutely no hope whatsoever.
I'm not good at working that stuff out.
Yeah.
Anyway, food. I'm not too sure where we're going to go. Bye. Yeah, not too sure where we're going to go, but we'll have a look. Problem is, we're doing the same as we did yesterday. We're about to eat at like prime time to eat. So, anyway, we'll find somewhere. Maybe we might have missed it. Literally put the camera away 2 minutes ago and it's chucking it down again. I think we've just got the worst weather possible. Like, I've come here and it's been raining before, but like not this much. It's like really wet. Right, where do you fancy going to eat, Becky?
I don't know.
Right, we're going to try here, Colonel Happy's Pizza Outpost. We debated going in like a proper restaurant, like the steakhouse or the Lucky Nugget or something, but they both had like massive queues, and they're quite expensive. So the expense of it wasn't really the issue, but I don't know, just there wasn't a lot of options either for the for the price. It was like one thing or the other sort of situation. So we said, well, let's just do quick service. So here we are. Hello.
Hello.
Look at you with 2 trays.
It's been a struggle.
Oh, that wasn't there. It was empty a minute ago. Oh, they've left a scarf. Do you want to go on that one, or are you happy here?
Okay, yeah.
Oh.
Don't get your poncho.
I will. Right, we got menu 3, which is a pizza, ham and cheese, and it's got olives on as well, but I'll be picking the olives off. And then it comes with a little garlic bread and a Magnum and a drink. How much was it?
€16 each.
€16 each, but obviously that's the pizza, the garlic bread, the Magnum and the drink. It's like, I don't understand it, but like every quick service here comes with a Magnum or a Magnum ice cream or a little pot of fruit or a yogurt. I'm like, I don't understand that. Do you? I don't get it. Like, is it
French.
Is it a French thing? I don't know. I find that really bizarre. Like, you forced ice cream or fruit or a yogurt upon you. Even if you just want to buy the pizza, you can't. You have to get the ice cream with it, or you have to get the fruit pot or the yogurt, don't you? It's strange.
Well, you can, but it's more expensive. Like this pizza on its own.
Yeah.
On the menu, you do it
Just on its own. I didn't realise you could get it on its own.
well, neither did I. But it was €14 on its own. No, the 2 Euros have got an ice cream. I'm probably not going to.
I mean, don't get me wrong. I'll eat the garlic bread and the drink. I'll probably eat the ice cream, but I wouldn't have ordered it.
Yeah, it's deep.
You know. But yeah. Anyway, pizza. I'll let you know how it is. It looks nice.
Really good.
Yeah, it looks good. So, just had the food. It's very nice. Pizza was good, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Really nice. And we're just deciding what ride to go and queue up for because I haven't done a ride yet and it's like 3 o'clock. But we're looking at the wait times on the app and I was like, you know, it's absolutely rammed when even the Disneyland Railroad has a 15-minute wait. Like, crazy. Dumbo's 40 minutes. Big Thunder's 55. Buzz Lightyear's 55. Crush's Coaster's 95. That's gone down there because Crush's Coaster was 120 earlier. What else? Indiana Jones is only 35, but me and you won't go on that.
Peter Pan's 55.
Peter Pan at 55 is not bad to be fair. For Peter Pan.
World's 20.
Half an hour for Pinocchio. An hour to meet Mickey. Oh, Phil, how Magic's on. 10-minute wait. That's a good one to do. They've added a new scene as well.
Yeah, they have the Coco.
Yeah. Phantom Manor 45 minutes. Pirates of the Caribbean's 35 apparently. Oh, over in the studios part, Ratatouille's only 45 minutes. That's really low for Ratatouille. That's usually like 80 minutes plus. Star Tours is half an hour. Hyperspace hasn't got a time, so I'm assuming it's down. Tower of Terror's 40 minutes. The parachute drop, the Toy Story Land's 50 minutes. Well, they're all, nothing's really less than 40 minutes. The lowest is actually Pirates at 35. Or Pirates at 35. Or we do PhilharMagic. What do you want to do? It's only 10-minute wait for PhilharMagic, but it depends on the show time, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does.
What do you fancy?
I don't really know. If I'm honest.
I feel a bit sick. Just because I'm full. If we do go queuing for a ride, I think I need to go to the toilet first. Because I can feel like I'm going to need the toilet in the next 10 minutes. You don't want to get in a queue for like 50 minutes, do you? By the time you get on the ride, you'll be like, I can't hold it in. Because I've just drank a big drink and drinks go straight through me. Like I've drank all of that and I feel fine right now. Give it like 20 minutes maximum and I'll be bursting for a wig. Just can't hold liquid at all. Right, what do you fancy?
I don't know.
You don't know?
No.
I'll tell you one thing, it is good. In all the restaurants, all the quick service, every table has a massive bottle of hand sanitizer, which is good. It's like we brought our own, but there's loads everywhere. The entrance to every ride, the exit to every ride, the entrance to every restaurant, exit to every restaurant, every table in all the restaurants have the big bottles on each one. So like, I've barely had to use my own, unless I felt like I wanted to use it and I've not been near one.
And how many bottles did you bring with you?
Not that many. Didn't bring that many.
Oh, 3.
We are in the middle of Pammy D.
That's a full pump.
That is a full, yeah, it gives you loads of full pump.
Oh no.
Right, I'll let you know where we go, because I don't think we're going to make a decision in the next 2 minutes. So, PhilharMagic. sat down. We're on Pirates. We just got to like semi-skip the queue as well. We had like another 5 minutes left, and someone was, and there was a cafe and they were like, two people. Everyone was like big families, and they were like, us, got to skip it. Pirates. I'm on the edge. I'm gonna get wet. Because the seat's wet. Is it? Well, slightly. Oh my god.
connaissez cette chanson en perroquet? Chante avec nous, c'est le cœur tendu. I love what our mummies and dads drink up me heart is yo ho, yo ho, yo ho, the pirates love for me.
It's a small world time. The theming on this small world, like on the outside of it, so much better than Disney World. So much better. I was so underwhelmed the first time I saw the Orlando one. I was like, oh, I'm expecting this big thing that we have here. But look how big it is. Huge. Look how pretty Frontierland is in the dark. So nice. Oh, so we just queued like about 40 minutes for Phantom Manor and just did Phantom Manor, but I didn't vlog it. I put the camera away a couple of hours ago because we absolutely had torrential rain. I'm not even joking. It was like hammering it down. Our jeans got stuck to our legs and everything. I was just like, the camera needs to go away. We did like Pirates. I think you saw that. We did Small World and stuff. Now we're going to do Big Thunder before we go. Currently on a 45-minute wait. Yeah. Here we go. For time reference, look at the Big Thunder in the background. How nice is it lit up? For time reference, it's currently 7:30 and the park's open till 9. So we're going to do this and then head over to Disney Village and start queuing for Rainforest Cafe, because you can't book a table for Rainforest Cafe. They only let you turn up and like wait for a table. I'm assuming because it gets so popular, so make it fair. So yeah, excited. Oh wow. We did this last night in the dark, just before we went for tea as well with the girls. It's really good in the dark.
So good in the
Yeah,
dark.
I've never done it in the dark before. So yeah, last one of the night again. And then tomorrow night we're planning on doing it after midnight at the Halloween party, because Halloween party's on till 2 AM and the attractions are open till 2 as well, so we're like, ah, that's amazing. It's going to be good. It's going to be good. And we think there might be some fireworks tomorrow night. Don't quote us, but I mean, you'll know by the time you're watching this because it will have already happened. But
Should we title it Did We Get Fireworks?
I know, yeah, maybe we should. Let's go! Oh my gosh! Oh jeez! Here we go! Different ride in the dark. It's very good. Do you think it's more intense than before?
Yeah,
Because you can't see like the turns that are about to happen.
it's good though. Always
No, yeah, it's good. Yeah, really good. So, as you saw, we just did Big Thunder. The wait, I feel like Disneyland Paris, I'm not 100% sure how to work out the wait times, because we queued for Phantom Manor. It was advertised as a 35-minute wait and we waited 45 minutes. And then Big Thunder then was advertised as a 45-minute wait and we got in the cart bang on 28 minutes because Becky was timing it. Which is like a whole 15 minutes quicker, so...
Maybe they got them the wrong way round.
Maybe. Maybe. Anyway, we're now leaving Frontierland. We're gonna head back down Main Street and head out to Disney Village. One thing I think is really weird at the moment, because there's scaffolding on the castle, once it's dark, the castle isn't, the castle's not lit up. Like, it's not lit up at all. And it's just a bit strange seeing the castle in darkness. Like, because you look down Main Street and you expect to see a castle at the end and you literally can't see anything. It's just a bit weird. I'll show you now.
Spot the castle.
So, like, yeah, like spot the castle, like you can't see it. Yeah, it's gone a bit foggy. It's her. Oh look, let's just turn the lights off a minute. We'll get around the little bend. So look, there's the castle, but it's not lit up. And it's just like, you can semi-see it here, but not very well. And then when we get to the other end of Main Street, I'll show you, like looking down Main Street, you literally just can't see anything at the other end. It's a bit strange, isn't it?
Very strange.
Anyway, Main Street's all lit up and it looks beautiful, so she'll show you. Oh, they've put like some like stage lighting up. That was not there yesterday.
It was.
Was it?
Yeah, that's what me and Laura were talking about. No, me and
Ah, didn't see it.
And I said, oh look, they're getting the lights up.
Yeah.
And you went, what lights? I went, those lights. And you went, oh.
I thought you were, oh, I don't know what I thought you were pointing at, not that. Anyway, look at Main Street. Main Street's all lit up lovely. Very nice. Do you know what, the vlogging camera never actually shows how nice Main Street looks lit up at night. But it looks beautiful. There's some scaffolding over here as well, we don't quite know what that's for, but fingers crossed, castle, you'll be out in the morning. Well, that's the view of the castle. Like, what's that? Where's the lights? Non-existent. Main Street, on the other hand, looks lovely. Right, so we're at the top end of Main Street. Let me turn around. Just look how weird this looks. You can't see anything. Literally pitch black at the end. Like, where the hell's the castle? So we're hoping that the castle might be lit up tomorrow night for the Halloween party. It's just a bit strange. But yeah, strange, literally. We came back in this park last night in the dark and I was like, whoa, are we at the wrong end of Main Street? I was like, it's a bit, in my head I was thinking, where's the castle? It's just a bit weird. It's usually all lit up. So anyway, we're now, oh sorry, we're now going. So when you're out of the parks, if you're outside, I don't know if I've already told you, you don't have to wear a mask, which is a nice little break to like walk in some fresh air and breathe the fresh air. Isn't it?
Yeah, sure.
Oh, she's got a mask on. Yeah, no, it is. It's nice because when it's been raining all day, the mask gets wet. And I bought a spare one today because that happened yesterday. And then I put my wet poncho in my bag next to the fresh mask and that got soaked. So I was like, well, that defeats the object, doesn't it? Silly me.
Only you would do that.
I know. Oh, jeez, there's a lot of people coming out right now, I don't know. We might be waiting a while for a table at Rainforest.
Maybe.
We shall see.
It's
It's, we come in, by the way, down there. So there's World of Disney. Five Guys and Vapiano's is down there, so it's that entrance that we come in. What's really funny?
Every time we film we've gone, I wonder what's down there.
Yeah, we've never actually walked down there.
And now we can go that way.
Yeah. Okay, we've jumped in World of Disney before we go. And we've just spotted the Christmas Spirit jerseys. Looks like they've only got small sizes left. We've not seen this anywhere else. Just all extra small, I think. That's no good. This is the first time we've spotted this. That's annoying.
Joe mentioned about that as well.
She did. Okay, skipping the Disney Village. It's Liverpool, that football match. Skipping not the Disney Village, World of Disney, because it's absolutely rammed. So we decided let's just go food, then we'll hopefully get it back in there before it closes. It closes at 11 PM. It's just gone 8:30 now. Obviously we don't know how long the wait will be for a table though, so fingers crossed it all goes to plan, hopefully. We're not near a fish tank today.
Oh, we're always near a fish tank.
Not today. They've got like a reduced menu, I think because they have to do like disposable menus, but Becky's pasta's still on it and that's all that matters because that's all she eats. She loves it that much. Okay, we're having some chicken strips to share. So you get 4, so 2 each. Although it was €11, so we was expecting it to be a bit bigger really, but not on greed, more on price, don't you think? But yeah, they look good though. I remember I had them last time. I couldn't remember how big they were, but I had them last time and they were nice. Here we go. This is the famous pasta. I've actually never had it, but Becky absolutely loves it. She like dreams about it in her sleep and everything.
I'll randomly just sit there one day and go, I want the rest of the pasta. Good.
Go on then, do your little first taste. Let's see your reaction. Is it good? Good.
You'll love it.
Hello. It is now the next morning, and in typical Emma fashion, I didn't end the vlog last night, so just thought I'd jump on now and say thank you very much for watching day 2 of the Disneyland Paris vlog series. Me and Becky had a lovely day. Hope you guys enjoyed watching it, and we will see you next week for day 3, which is actual Halloween and the Halloween party, so it should be a good video. See you next week. Bye.